Whoa, hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother. Today we have the Vivo S30Pro Mini, and today we go outside and I'm going to have a quick hands-on video about this new device, the small sized flagship device from Vivo. So as we can see, this time for this device is a small sized, just a 6.31 inch screen, and thickness 7.99 thickness, and weight 186 gram. And also it have a R corner design, so it's very light and weight slim body, and also is comfortable when you hold it, use your one hand. And also I'm so happy to have my favorite color, pink, and also I'm showing you it in this video. Okay, so the front side is also get a straight screen, 6.3 inch LED screen, and 1.5K display resolution, 2640 1216, and they support 120 Hz refresh rate, and also 94.4 screen to birth ratio. And here we have go to the settings part to check more information about the device. And this time they use the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus processor, and maximum is support to 3.4 GHz, and optical processor, and support LTPO and the UFS 3.1. And today we have the 12 GB RAM plus 250 GB RAM edition. We can find more information here. This is screen display screen. Okay, the screen display resolution and also refresh rate information. Yeah. Okay. And so today we're in a green environment, and you can find it the pink colors on our phone is really stand out, distinctive, and it looks nice. And okay, here's the camera. We enter the camera part. This time they provide a 50 megapixel main camera, IMX921, and 80 megapixel wide angle, and also 50 megapixel periscope IMX882 processor, sensor, and 3 times optical zoom performance. OIS supported, and the front one is 50 megapixel portrait mode supported, and also is supported 2 times zoom for the camera part. And for the front one, it also support autofocus and 92 wide angle autofocus. And no matter your single selfie or group selfie, both supported. Yes, different mode we can choose, and I really like this device because it's not only small size but also get a decent camera certification. And I hope this one can be the small size flagship smartphone killer in the market. And also here is the video part. We can also find 4K video supported, and also we can choose the font. Yes. And for this periscope camera, it's full covered 85 mm and 100 mm. For the wide angle, 106 super wide angle. No distraction for the skins. And also here is the video. Yes, we can also do some quick test. Okay, a video test about this device, and also I put the sample video and sample pictures at the end of the video, so you can check the camera performance and the video and the photo image qualities. For this main camera, it's a 1.56 inch big film and support OIS and CIPA 4.5 grade, and the FPS can be reduced, noise comes out, and even in a dark environment can performance good. Here's the long distance. Okay, some video. I can switch from different. Now we switch to the front. Okay, the front. Yes. Front camera and rear camera. Yes, so this is a very simple, I think, camera test. Besides this phone is supports IP6 8K and under-screen fingerprint, infrared, blaster, and NFC, dual speaker, and so on. And for this 4 nanometers process technology, it can also good for the gaming. Yes. And also in this small body, to put a 6500 battery and with 90-watt fast charging. So normally 35 minutes you get fully charged, and also can standby time can reach to 1.5 days. So here are the sample videos about the device. You can enjoy it, and okay, let's end the video for more. Catch up on here. Bye bye.